Still a gaming champion in 2024. Let's crack open a brand new Nintendo Switch and see what makes this console a timeless classic. Alright, here we go. The satisfying peel of a brand new gadget. Let's gently lift the top flaps, being careful not to damage anything. And there it is, nestled safely inside. We have the Nintendo Switch console itself. Let's set that aside for now. Beneath the console, you'll find different compartments holding all the necessary accessories. Time to explore. First up, we have the Joy-Con controllers. In this case, we have the classic neon red and blue. These can be attached to the console for handheld play or used separately for multiplayer fun. Next, we have the Nintendo Switch dock. This is what allows you to connect your Switch to your TV for big screen gaming. You'll find the necessary ports on the back, including HDMI and power. Speaking of power, here's the AC adapter. This is used to charge your Switch, both when it's docked and when you're on the go. This is the Joy-Con grip. You can slide the Joy-Cons onto this to create a more traditional controller feel. Included is an HDMI cable to connect the Switch dock to your television. Lastly, we have the usual safety guides and instruction manuals. Important to read these before you start. And there you have it, everything you need to get started with your new Nintendo Switch in 2020 for a versatile console for gaming on the go or relaxing at home. Happy gaming.